And sometimes when you just don't feel like reading long blocks of text, tools like Natural Reader step in. But whether it's actually worth using depends on how well it balances voice quality, features, and pricing. At its core, Natural Reader is designed to turn written content into spoken audio, making it useful for students, professionals, and even casual users who prefer listening over reading. It supports PDFs, Word files, web pages, and more, which makes it quite versatile, and that naturally increases its everyday usability. Starting with features, Natural Reader offers a range of AI voices, including both standard and more advanced natural-sounding voices. It also includes OCR technology, meaning you can scan images or printed documents and convert them into speech. On top of that, it allows users to adjust speed, pronunciation, and voice style, which adds a level of personalization to the experience. However, while the premium voices sound realistic, the free voices can feel a bit robotic, and that's something many users notice. Now, when it comes to ease of use, the platform is very beginner-friendly. With a simple interface available on both desktop and web, you can just paste text or upload a file and start listening instantly. Let's talk about pricing, because this is where the decision often gets made. Natural Reader offers a free version, but it comes with limitations such as restricted access to premium voices and lower usage limits. Paid plans usually start around $10 to $20 per month, depending on whether you choose personal or commercial use. There are also one-time lifetime purchase options, which can be appealing for long-term users who don't want ongoing subscriptions. From a value perspective, the pricing is reasonable, especially if you need high-quality voices regularly. However, if you only use it occasionally, the free version might be enough. Looking at pros and cons, the biggest advantage is clearly ease of use and versatility, along with support for multiple formats. The availability of lifetime plans is also a strong plus. On the downside, premium voices are locked behind paywalls, and free-tier quality may not meet everyone's expectations. So, when you bring everything together, Natural Reader is a solid text-to-speech tool for both beginners and regular users. If you want simple, flexible, and reliable voice conversion, it's definitely worth trying. But if you're focused on top-tier voice realism without paying, you might find limitations, and that balance is what ultimately determines if Natural Reader fits your needs. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.